What's up, everybody? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you haven't went to IamHustlersMindset.com and got the eBay coaching and automation service, I don't know what you're waiting for. If you don't know what this service is, it's literally me doing a one-on-one coaching session with you for 4 days out of a 7-day week period, and also having your own personal assistant list products for you throughout those 7 days. All you do is set a budget. You can set a budget as low as $150 and get 4 booked 30-minute call sessions with me while also getting products listed on your eBay. I don't know how to tell you guys more than enough how you can make money work for you, and this is a perfect way if you're somebody that works a 9 to 5 to make your check literally work for you. And I love doing this because I sit down with people daily and we talk about their goals. I teach you how to create a business with your eBay, get your EIN, turn it into a business, do tax write-offs. I teach you how to list. I teach you how to ship. I teach you how to find trending products. I teach you how to find the right prices to price the products at. I teach you how to find products without spending any money. I'm telling you guys right now, this service is full of gems and it's something I enjoy, and I am here to tell you guys exactly how I made $3,000 literally just selling chargers, okay? And honestly, chargers are one of the best things in my opinion for my niche, what I like to do to sell, right? Because my thought is, when somebody wakes up, what do they get on? What do they hop on? One of the first things in the morning they hop on is their phone. And my main thing is I like to serve the people that I feel will always give me residuals. And if somebody hops on their phone first thing in the morning, in my mind, I'm thinking that they're going to literally need a charger at some point in time, or maybe they might go on vacation, maybe they might lose their charger, someone might steal it. I'm thinking about how I can make whatever they need something that I can provide, and something that I can make sure people are coming back to me with. Now, eBay is a great platform because you have a whole bunch of people that you are reaching at that point in time, but you have to just know how to do it in the right manner. But you also gotta know how to do it with the right niche, right product. Now, in this course that we do have, I actually have you and give you an assignment every single class, and one of them is to find your niche. Find out exactly what you want to sell. It doesn't have to be electronics, but I do want to show you guys my results, but also show you guys how I list products. So we're going to list one product, and I want you guys to pay attention to the jewels that I'm dropping in this video, but also the small details and behaviors that you guys can put in place that will turn your eBay store upside down and make you some money. It's not about watcher bots and trying to go around different methods. It's all about just doing it the right way the first time. When a lot of people first started cheating when it comes to buying bots and followers and subscribers and views, it was okay, right? Like, okay, to each his own. But what I find is a lot of people feel as though these shortcuts are going to be something that they can rely on, and it's not. It's not at all. The shortcuts at the end of the day are going to catch up to you. I promise you. My goal is to make sure that these shortcuts are not affecting you guys, my educated hustlers, and that is exactly why I am doing this video. Now, you want to go ahead and try to do it the easy way or the lazy way, that's you. If you're somebody that really wants to take this and make this another income stream, we have to drill down to the behaviors and really develop a system. Now, I have a system that I use that I'm going to share with you today, and I also want you guys to use it, and I want you to make it work for you, and understand that this system is something that I've been doing for years, something I've seen plenty of people get results with, and I know that you'll be the next one. Now, I am not telling you guys to stick to this to the T. You can make it your own. I have no problem with having individuals make systems their own, but it's all about understanding how to stick to the script when it comes to the basics. We want to list the products that are going to make us residuals, that are going to make us money, that are going to sit there and be consistent. We want to do, we want to get watchers, but we also want to get sales, and we also want to make sure that when we get sales, we're getting sales with quality customers. We want to make sure we're getting reviews. We want to make sure we're ranking on eBay. We want to make sure that every single day we wake up, we're waking up to $100+ in sales. And this is how you do it. So what we're going to do, like I always tell you guys, we're going to hop on a computer and we're going to actually drill down to a system that I use and a system that has worked. And I literally show this in the course, and you guys are getting a sneak peek. And you guys right now can get the course right now at IamHustlersMindset.com. It's under electronic flipping, and it's the first option in the menu, electronic flipping, and it's the first option, guys. And again, you can make this money work for you. I'm telling you right now, it is easy, simple. Now, one thing I do want you guys to do before you do watch this and before we get into the product, I want you to understand this. This is not something that you can do just by sitting back and watching money just roll in and you just acting like you have a product when you really don't have a product. I don't do that. I don't show fake stuff. I don't show how to fake drop ship. I don't show how to make money literally by doing nothing. I don't have that power. I've never met anybody that did have that power. And if I did have that power, wouldn't be on Instagram, wouldn't be on YouTube, wouldn't be on TikTok. I would just literally be just sitting back making money. It's literally, you have to work for the money you get. Like, let's be real, you got to, right? So let's hop into the computer and let's see exactly what the system is. And I hope that you guys see success with this. And I also hope to see you guys in the next class. Let's get into it. Number one, you want to go to ebay.com. You want to make sure you have an eBay. And you also want to make sure that you know that you can sell. So make sure if you just loading up an eBay and it's your first video and you're just creating one, make sure you hit sell and make a draft or make a test listing so that you know that you can sell. Okay, now without further ado, we're gonna hop into exactly how you can make a product listing literally in less than really 3 minutes. Okay, and I'm walking you guys through this, and again, I go through this in a more extensive way in the course, but I want you guys to see the gist of it because it's something that you can work on literally right now. So first, we're going to be looking at the chargers that customers are making a lot of money with, and also myself. So it is a charging bundle. So I would say iPhone charging bundle. Okay, you always want to type what you want in that search bar. The search bar is your friend. Okay, now I'm looking at charger bundle. I see a whole bunch of bundles. I'm not gonna lie to you, these 10 packs, they make a lot of money as well, but I'm not seeing what we want. So if I don't see what I want, all I do is go back up to that search bar, right? Going back up to that search bar, maybe we just type in iPhone charger, right? iPhone charger. So iPhone charger, and guess what comes up? iPhone chargers, of course, but do we see a bundle? Yes, we actually do. All right, we see 2 bundles so far. All right, now we see 3. So what we're gonna do is let's just choose this one. Okay, we have a 3-pack super fast Type C for iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, XS, XR, 8, 7, 6 Plus. Okay, now not gonna lie, this title is everywhere, but this is an okay title. Picture is pretty, it's pretty okay as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, and of course, if you guys don't know already, we are going to be taking the pictures. We do not reinvent the wheel. We see that this is a 6-foot cable, which is cool. So now we're just going to take these pictures, and I'm going to tell you this. Everybody on eBay, they take pictures from each other. That's why you'll see some pictures where people put their username on it. Picture, I mean, it's not that deep for myself. I'm not really like that bothered to really put a watermark, but you have some people that do. All right, just don't use those. Okay, now as we get on this post, we are just looking at the success of this post. We already see more than 10 available, 166 sold. What I could do is pull out the calculator. we see that they're making $14.99, $14.99 times 166. They made around $2,488.34 net. But also, what you want to say, well, gross really. What you want to say is, let's minus this, and I would say like, I would say let's, for eBay fees, take off like $230. But they're still clearing $2,000, right? Just from charges. And this is this is August 29th. I'm sure this is all in a month. So if you really want to break it down, imagine making $2,258.34 a month, times that by 12. I know you guys have a job, right? What I want you to do before I hit this equal button is tell me right now, with your job, or don't even tell me, keep it to yourself. With your job, how much are you getting paid a year? Add up what your checks are, usually rounded about, times that by 2. If you get paid 2 times a week, if you get paid 1 time every 2 weeks, I'll be forgetting how jobs work, honestly. But if you get paid 1 time every 2 weeks, times that by 2, times that by 12, and then you'll have your yearly income. Now we're going to times this by 12. You got 27,000. Okay, so that is, it's okay. You know what I mean? It's an okay amount. This is not bad. You know what I mean? For surviving, like, this will cover your rent. Especially in Philly, it'll cover your rent. You know what I mean? Cover your rent. Just literally selling charges. But we're gonna hit this sell now button. Okay. Now when we hit this sell now button, most of the things from that listing is gonna come over. Now we don't need all of this extra stuff. We don't need that. Okay. We're going to get that out the way. We're going to hit unbranded because we don't want to list branded products. Remember not to put lightning in the post, and I explain that more so in the service and the course because it's 2-in-1. Now let's say I didn't want to sell a 6-foot cord, but I wanted to sell a 3-foot cord. I can put that there. But we'll sell the 6 foot. We want to make sure that we're maintaining our competitiveness. So we want to make sure we have an edge because we are going to make sure we're competing with the listing that is trending. So then next we want to hit new. All right. Now when it comes to the description, guess exactly what we're going to do. You already know. You already said it. We are going to copy the description. Okay, which they copied the description from somebody else because I've seen this description before. So I'm going to take that description. Boom. Copy that and put it there. Okay. Now, right here, we want to look at the price. Okay. We want to look at their price, and their price right now is going to be $14.99. So you may be asking, hey, B, what are we going to price ours? So we'll price ours instead of that. Adapters $2.50 plus. So we're looking at cost of goods being like $4, really $3, but let's just up it to $4. So what I would do, and I actually show you how to find a medium price in the service and the course, but I'll let you guys see that when you join. But let's just do a dumbed down version. So we know $4, so $4 is reasonable. So if we do 14, if we do 13 minus 4, we coming out with 9 minus 3 because of shipping, so $6 each. So yeah, we're gonna do $13. Okay, that leaves us some wiggling room. Okay, because we are going to be giving free shipping, but before that, we want to make sure we change our shipping ounce rate. And I tell you guys in the service how to get the cheapest shipping possible. So definitely check that out and then offer free shipping. Okay, now it's going to tell me if I missed something. A lot of people miss things when they list. And this is what happens when you miss things. Guess what I missed? Photos. All right, so we're going to take the photos and make sure that we have the photos. So that's very important. We can't sell nothing without the photos, of course, right? So now after that part and after that portion, now we're going to try it again, which we should be Gucci Bucci now. So once we go ahead and list that, Now it is listed, and boom, voila. Now we have a post, and that post is going to make you money. I promise you. We just got to make sure that it's the right, yeah, we got to make sure that it is the right main, let me do this, the right main one, hold on. There we go. There we good. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is a simple way to start listing products. You can do this at work. You can do this at home. You can do this when you're in a car. You can do this with your kids. You can do this with your girl. You can do this on date night. You can do this anywhere you want. This is a simple way to do a listing and make money, okay, guys? If you're sitting here waiting, procrastinating, saying, hey, this is something I want to do, I want you to talk to me, man. Make sure you guys go to Educatedhustler on Instagram, DM me eBay, and we will talk, guys. If you guys want to get into our Discord, make sure you guys go right now and click the link below. I have my Discord invite link below. Also, if you have not already, make sure you guys tune into my vlogging channel, okay? It's Educated Hustler Vlogs, and that is the channel that's pinned on my channel currently, the Educated Hustler channel. So I can't wait to see you guys all around. I appreciate you to the max, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Peace.